Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to JK's Cooking. Today's recipe is chicken and mushroom pie. So you will need 1 kg of boneless chicken, 250 grams of mushrooms, 230 grams of mixed vegetable, this is optional, 1 cup of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 ready-made puff pastry rolls, 1 egg. Using a large pot on high heat, add in your 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, add in your onions, add in your chicken, give the chicken a mix and let it cook. You then want to add garlic paste, add in your red chili powder, black pepper, salt and parsley. So as you can see, the chicken has left a lot of water. You want to let the chicken soak up all the water. Add in your mushrooms. So while we're making the mixture, you want to preheat your oven to 240 degrees fan, gas mark 9. Milk. Add in your flour. So here I had 1 cup of flour, but I only used 2 to 3 tablespoons. As you can see, the mixture had already become thick. Add in your mixed vegetables. This is totally optional. So using a baking tray, lay out your first puff pastry. Push it down in each corner. You then want to egg wash it and place it into the oven until it has become golden brown. So start to add your mixture to the puff pastry. Sprinkle of grated cheese. You don't need to. Place the second puff pastry on top. So here I am removing any extra pastry on the sides. and wash it again. So using a fork, poke it into the pastry to allow the hot air reach your chicken inside. Place it into the oven until it becomes a light crispy golden brown colour. So this pie serves up to 9 people. And here we are. Your chicken and mushroom pie is ready to be served. Allah Hafiz. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment down below on what you would like to see next.